Hello, students. In this video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of punctuation. Let's learn together. Punctuations are groups of marks used in writing to clarify meaning and indicate pauses, stops, or divisions between elements of a sentence. It aids in expressing the intended writing piece's tone and organization. Now, let's learn the rules to punctuate compound sentences. Rule 1. When you have two clauses, connect them with a coordinating conjunction. Example: not only did the chef create a delicious appetizer, but she also prepared a mouth-watering main course for the guests. Rule 2. You can also connect two clauses using a semicolon and a conjunctive verb. Example: although the exam was challenging, Mark remained calm, and he answered every question with confidence. Now, rules to punctuate complex sentences. Rule 1. Start with a dependent clause and follow it with an independent clause. Example: despite studying diligently for the exam, John couldn't shake off his nervousness. Rule 2. You can also begin with an independent clause followed by a dependent clause. Example: I recommended watching the movie since it was interesting. Let's learn the uses of commas first in direct sentences. When quoting someone, we use direct speech with quotation marks and a comma. Example: Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Then in introductory words. These words answer questions like who or when and are followed by a comma. Example: moreover, in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence stands as both a marvel and a potential ethical quandary. Next in interjections, these are words that show surprise and are followed by an exclamation mark. Example: hooray! We finally won the championship. Last we have interrupters. These are words that add extra information to a sentence, set apart by commas. Example: the novel, filled with suspense and mystery, captivated the readers from the very first page. Uses of semicolons. A semicolon connects two independent clauses without a conjunction. Example: she loved the hustle and bustle of the city. However, she longed for the tranquility of the countryside. Uses of colons. A colon introduces information that follows. Example: the survival kit included several essential items: a multifunctional tool, a waterproof flashlight, and a compact first aid kit. Uses of capitalization. Capitalization uses uppercase letters to convey meaning. The first word of a sentence should be capitalized, and proper nouns like names should also be capitalized. Example: my favorite subjects are math, science, and history. Now it's your turn to answer. Which punctuation mark connects two closely related independent clauses? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.